Hello friends! Welcome to My Simple Remedies. A lot of you ask about my hair care secrets, so I thought why not share my everyday routine with you guys, so you can know what I do every day. So let's start our hair care special series. But before that, click on the red subscribe button to support me. So friends, I start out my day with a cup of warm water. Sometimes I squeeze a few drops of lemon, but sometimes I just prefer to have a cup of warm water only. It really helps me to stay fit. In fact, I love to look slim. No obsession, but just a preference though. After drinking my tea, I brush my teeth. Do you know I don't use toothpaste on a regular basis? Because toothpaste also contains chemicals. I'm more into natural stuff, like I make my own DIY banana paste, or my grandma always makes something new, so I prefer to use that. After brushing my teeth, I always cleanse my face. It really helps to keep my skin looking really fresh and glowing. Although I don't get pimples and acne because cleanser fulfills all the needs of my skin, so I recommend you guys also add a cleanser to your daily routine. I use an egg Botox mask once a week to make my skin look tight and healthy. I'm adding the link to that in the description box, or you can also check I button for that video. After cleansing, I wash my face with normal water. Friends, one more mistake we always do is we rub a towel on our face, whereas this is totally the wrong way. You get acne, pimples, and bumps, and so many other issues due to this habit. Always clean your face with a towel with a dabbing motion. This won't affect your skin. Now it's time to take a shower. But here comes the secret. I always shampoo my hair with the mixture of aloe vera, shampoo, and castor oil. If you want to see the detailed video on how I prepare this shampoo, then I'm adding the link of that shampoo video in the description box, and I button as well. This shampoo makes my hair healthy and also frizz-free. Also, this prevents my hair falling out and breakage. So I always wash my hair with my own shampoo. Next, I have super long and thicker hair, so I always use a blow dryer on the normal heat setting to dry my hair, because with my hair length, it would take hours to dry naturally, and wet hair tends to break more easily, so dry it as soon as you can. After drying my hair, I always use a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. So for lunch, sometimes I make a chicken sandwich with a cup of tea, or sometimes I have grilled chicken. As I am a diet freak, I can't compromise on my health. So I prefer oil-free when it comes to food. I do eat junk food, but it's only like once a month. And try to replace your regular cooking oil with olive oil. Olive oil is quite healthy and is less dangerous. You might be thinking about this small teacup, but I always prefer Japanese teacups because they are smaller in size, and thus it fulfills your addiction. This is so perfect for tea lovers. I ordered them from an online Instagram page. I'm also putting the link of these cups and the store in the description box. After having my meal, I go to the grocery store, or I complete my everyday work. And before having dinner, I do my exercise in my own style, and I am a free bird. I just do exercise which makes me happy. And when you are happy, you are going to be fit. That's what I believe. So, live a life you love to live. Don't follow others, don't copy others, whereas inspire others. So after completing my exercise, I start preparing my dinner. I am a chicken lover, so I prefer chicken in my lunch and dinner. Sometimes I make a chicken patty, sometimes I grill one, sometimes I make it into a sandwich. This completely depends on my mood. I always have chicken in my fridge, which I use accordingly. So today I'm making grilled chicken with a cup of tea. I always make sure to have my dinner at least 4 to 5 hours before sleeping. And this is a key to fitness, I must say, because your eating time really matters. Now it's time to go to bed. But before that, I always braid my hair so my hair won't break while sleeping. So good night, my friends. Please like the video to support me. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.